Hello and welcome back. In this video I think we should go ahead and make those montages so that we can get back from cover. And let's see. I have a few problems with this, I must admit, because in my to my understanding it should be possible to say, okay, if I want to return from a right movement. This is, why can we see that? I didn't make a comment for this. Okay, I want to make a comment for this actually. Okay, and I'm gonna make a copy, oops, copy of that comment here. No, I'm not, because otherwise I can't move it. Okay. Okay, make it a little bit more. Something like that. Okay, this should hopefully make it a little bit easier to read. Oops. Turn to cover in the right direction and to the left. So, to my understanding, that's what I was gonna say, is that was that you could say something like, okay, if I want to go back again, I should be able to just say, okay, I want to play this the opposite way. And save, compile and all that stuff. So let's see if I come up here and I release. There was a little twitch going on, but nothing happened. And I'm pretty sure this was getting hit. Yep, it is getting hit. So for some reason, it seems like when I just say okay, you should play a -1, this is does not work. So instead of trying to figure out what I'm doing wrong, I just worked my way around this by saying, okay, so I have an emerge right animation. So I'm just gonna copy that one and say, okay, screw you. I'm gonna make one called hide right, and that one, that animation, I'm gonna say, okay, I want to play that backwards, so that it's gonna look like this. And then from this one, hide right, I'm gonna make a montage called hide right montage, which I'm then gonna play forward. Okay, and let me put that on a full body slot, and also check I have root motion on. I do. It's good. And also when we want to say, okay, when are we back in cover again, we need to make that same thing with the I believe animation notifier. You should maybe go check that before I because I'm not really sure. One moment. Yeah, I do have one, so okay. And actually I'm just using one of those that I have made before, is in standing cover, this one, because this in standing cover is already being handled somewhere. and standing cover this one, so it's gonna just set the movement state back, so it's kind of similar to this one, just that it's setting us back to a standing cover. And I don't remember, no, we don't have a transition arrow going back, so we need to make that arrow as well. So when we are peeking to that direction, we want to say movement state is equals to standing cover, and similar for the this one. Is emerged, okay, is in standing cover. Okay, I copied it from the wrong one. Okay, great. Anyway, let's compile that. And did I fix this one? Emerge? No. It should be hide, right? And I should just play this forward. Okay. Okay, so now you can see he's coming out to the emerged state, and once I release I'm holding down the left mouse button right now, so once I release the button he's gonna go back again, and right now he's gonna go back and forth for some reason. But that's the beauty of debugging. Okay, and there's a lot of animation, switching and so on, but that's a topic for a later video. Right now I don't care about it. Right now we just need to get the controller working, and on the right side it doesn't work because we don't have this on the left side. I keep mixing them up. So let's make the same trick with the left one, the emerge left. So we duplicate this one and call this, instead of emerge, call this hide left, and make we want to make the rate negative like that, and we also want to make a montage hide left, and that's going to play forward. We want to set the full body slot, and we want to find some place somewhere to put in a notifier saying we are now back in standing cover. So let's save that and make sure to select that here, hide left, so return from cover right and then return from cover left, then we just fire this one instead. Okay. So now, oops, I think I missed something. Looks like something is wrong with the equal to standing cover, and this one standing cover. Okay, interesting. Hang on a sec. So normal state, now we're in standing cover, is emerging, is emerged, is emerging, normal state. Why are we in normal state? We shouldn't be in normal state. We should be in standing cover state. Something is sending us back. Okay, that's actually pretty weird. Just gonna check something. Gonna put it down here and watch what happens. So we're in left cover state, and now we are out here, and once I release, oh, that's weird, because it does say normal state and it shouldn't say normal state, and it stays out here. What am I missing? Can enter transition back in standing cover. Okay. Hide left in standing cover. Hide left, hide right. They're all playing forward. And this one is getting played, right? Okay, let me check this one first. Okay. Okay, he's completely screwed up now. Okay, this is maybe a better if I figure out off video. But yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna return to this in the next episode and explain what the problem is, because right now I can't really figure it out. But we have these two forward into the emerge state now and back again. So and in the next video I will squash out a few bugs, and then we can continue with the controller. We have all this stuff up here for first person handling we haven't talked about. So that's also going to be something I'm going to cover in the next video or in a future video. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next. Bye bye.